Oh, look at this.
So pretty.
Wow. Hope you're having a fabulous time in Prague. I'm here in, before we start, and then, so roll clip now. Okay, so I'm gonna actually try to vlog today. I'm gonna give myself the challenge of that because every time I start to vlog, I just keep forgetting when I'm vlogging. So I'm gonna try just to vlog. Okay, so let's go. We're going to 2 sites this morning and let's see the progress. 3 sites. So, and then we'll film 2 videos. So come on, let's do this. So bear with me and we'll succeed. Okay, and that's site number 1 done, check. So now I'm on to site number 2. Let's go. Okay guys, as you can tell by the Christmas music, hold on 1 second now, we're putting up the Christmas tree! I'm very excited. I have 2 hours to do this, so let's hope and pray that I can do it. Normally the tree goes over in this section, but I'm putting over to this side this year, because it used to be over this side, but then Mum went over this side last year, and I just personally don't like over that side. I just feel like the Christmas tree should be kind of beside the fireplace, and then the garland or whatever it is that goes across there. That's just personal taste. That was that same thing. I better turn this off because copyright. So that's what we're going to be doing. So I'm going to do a time lapse of everything going up. I tried to make myself a hot whiskey, but it turned out disgusting. So also I'm doing a giveaway this evening on my Instagram. So I think by the time this one up, will still be running. So if you haven't entered it, go over to my Instagram, enter it. It's a €250 voucher for Brian Thomas, which is a very fancy shop. And €250 will get like maybe like a bag or maybe like some makeup. If you're not from Ireland, it's basically like a kind of a high-end kind of this shop that sells like a few different things. It's not just like one product. They sell like loads of different brands. So yeah, if you're interested, go enter. So that's what we're going to do. And so also I'll roll a clip. I was at site this morning, so I'll roll a clip of that before we start, and then so roll clip now. Now, so these are the tiles. We're going to put them along here and in the utility room. And this is a gorgeous one. This is Roberto by Caesar Stone. This is going to be on the worktop here and here. And this carcass is just beautiful. Let me give you a better perspective of what's been done thus far. So we're getting the top there all filled in. 2 pendants come down here. Fridge, ovens, pocket doors, pantry area, corner unit, dishwasher, bin, sink. This is reality. Nice little pendant to go over here, spotlights. Oh god, you're not even ready for all the accessories that are going to go in here. It's going to be fantastic. And then in here, in utility space, this is all pretty much, I'm not going to show you too much. We're doing all this tile here, wall light shelf. And just it's going to be beautiful. So close your eyes. And then we're back into the kitchen. So yeah, that's lovely thus far. And the beam going across, so it'll be painted, and oh, I can't wait. And welcome back. Okay, so let's decorate this tree. Oh. Let's go. Okay, woo! We did the toes. Just take our word for it. It is so exciting. Oh, look at this.
So pretty.
Wow. Look at the blue light. I've never been to an airport before. Time for a room tour. I'm not gonna talk too loud because I think you can hear me in the hallway, so I'm just gonna keep it. So you come in, and then you have this beautiful window here behind me, which looks out over to the lake. That's gonna focus. But is that focusing? Yeah, okay. That looks out onto the lake, but you can't see it because there's something. Oh no, never mind. It looks like the lake, but you can't see the lake because it's dark out. And then you have some TV. Oh, I never noticed that before. Okay, right. So you have a TV, a little seating area. The Forest Creek. It's like an old house. So the Forest Creek. Oh, you have a little kind of unit here that opens up. It's very nice. Yeah, very nice. Nice antique furniture. Oh, stay close. I didn't just break it. And a little tea station to have like a cup of coffee. Oh, sweet butternut scotch. I bet there's butter in them. Fuck it. I should have requested that I was vegan, so I can't eat them things. And you have some lovely wall sconces here on either side, which are very lovely. Then your wardrobe. I only have my blazer in it because I haven't unpacked my bag yet, but that's the wardrobe. It's quite nice. And you have like your kind of vanity area over here, which is quite nice. You get free water, which is oh, that's low down, which is quite nice. I only spotted that like about 5 minutes ago. Before I filmed this, you have some drawers. Oh, with a hairdryer in it. What else is in here? Oh, some letters. And emptiness. And oh, you have another lamp here. However, I turn it on. Oh, you have to turn it on here. Oh, look at this. It's gonna have all the lights on me because I like that vibe. Oh, this is the bed. Oh, I tell you, my way. Am I looking forward to just tonight because I'm so tired. We've been up since 4 o'clock and it's now. Where's my phone? Oh, it's over here. It's now 6 and we're going for dinner now. So I have to have a shower, get ready, go for dinner, and yeah, I'll send a video over here. Oh, this actually could be nice. So I might actually come here and chat to you when I'm getting ready. So if I wanted to write a letter to someone, I could just take one of these pages and scribble a letter. I'm like, to who am I going to use as reference? Hi Maeve, you're going to be using this one. To Maeve, hope you're having a fabulous time in Prague. I'm here in the Washington Park Hotel in Manchester. I don't know. Somewhere in England. In Manchester. We just came from the Symphony Factory and showroom. I saw some amazing kitchens and amazing products. Very nice to see you at the package. Anyway, how are you? Hope all is well. Are you enjoying the Christmas markets? XOXO. Please reply ASAP. Who's that? Just a message because it's so popular. Anyway, I'll chat to you in a bit. I'm just gonna get ready now. So, got slipped. Right, talk to you in a bit. Okay, this is my effort for tonight. Just my slip trousers, tank top, some bling, and myself. And that's all you need. Does it look okay though? It's gonna hope it does. Anyway, I'll see you in a bit. Yeah, that looks better. Okay, right. See you in a bit. Hello. So I just wanted to come on here and close off this vlog. I look disgusting and this light is not doing anything for me, but it's okay. Basically, we went to England to see the factories, saw an amazing kitchen. So if you're looking for a kitchen, I mean, I think you know where to go to get it. The only company that I'd ever recommend, Symphony, by the way, if you're wondering. I was going to be going to Toulouse in next weekend. Let me just check my calendar. Let me give you an update of what's going on, what's going down. I'm supposed to be going to Toulouse on the 17th. It's the 9th now. Oops, oh my god, fucking. Wait, oops, go back. But I'm not because of COVID restrictions and all that shite, which is fine. So instead, I'm going to be going to Athlone, I think, doing some shopping for Christmas. At the moment, I have 3 projects that are coming to their end stages. One is the kitchen, one's the utility room, one's the living room and hallway, and then I have 4 starting in January. No, sorry, 6 starting in January. 2 are big projects. One is like a medium big project. Actually, no, sorry, 3 of them are big projects. And then, so at the moment, the kitchen's been installed, painter's in, electrician's been in, there's a plaster in another one. The kitchen detail room's been fitted on Saturday. Tiles come back next week to do tiles. It's a lot, and I'm trying to figure out my video plan. My whole schedule's gone out the window. It's just been so bad. I know, and so I've just been trying to balance everything, and it's been very difficult to balance everything. Like, really difficult to balance everything. Like, I literally feel like I haven't even stopped for a second, and I'm not going to lie, guys. This past week has been hard. It's really tested my patience, and I think I've persevered, so we're surviving. Anyway, my lips feel so dry. I'll check back in a minute.